Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable switch user option and fixed if it disappeared from logged in screen in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. So the very first step that you need to do is you need to press Windows and R key together here in your window and just have to type for regedit. Again, Windows and R key together and go with this small window and then type regedit and user account control will ask you to confirm your action. Just have to go with yes. Okay. So here in the registry editor, you need to go with hkey underscore under local underscore machine. Then click this forward arrow, and this time you need to go with software. Click this forward arrow and go with Microsoft. Click this forward arrow, and this time you need to go with Windows. Once you have find it, click this, select it, and then click this forward arrow. And this time you need to go with current version. Click this forward arrow and go with policies. So you have it here. Click this forward arrow once you have selected it, and there you would be able to see a folder named system. Okay. Again, we have just been into HK local machine, then go with software, then we go with Microsoft, then we go with Windows, then we go with current version, policies, and then system. And here under the system folder, you need to create a new value, which is here at the center of your screen in the area where options are not present. Just have to blank in the blank area, just have to do a right click and go with dword 32-bit value. And you need to create a folder named, value named hide fast user switching. Again, it is hide fast user switching. Just have to type exactly what I have typed here in my computer and then click on enter. So once you have selected it, you need to double tap that, and here in the small window, you need to make sure that the value data is 0 and then click on OK. So once you have created such and once you have set the value data into 0, you need to close all of these file folders that we have just accessed earlier, and then close this window as well, and then you need to restart your computer. So once you have restarted your computer, there you go, you would be able to fix your problem, and you would be also be able to see the switch user option which is missing earlier. So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.